Hello friends, in this video we will talk about how we can provide CSS style with the help of the selectors ID and class. So let us make the basic structure of HTML page. Now, as you already know that whenever we are providing style through ID, our tendency is to uniquely identifying an element from its family. So let us take an example of that first. So H1, we say this is heading 1 and make a few copies of it. And then we will provide some style to it. So for this video I'm only going to take internal style. This is just for avoiding the back and forth between different files. So let us try to do some style to it. So H1, we say that text align to the center. So now you know that all these elements, they will have that text aligned to the center. So you can see there. Now for a particular element, if you want to give some style, what do you need to do? ID equal to, say, head, and then you will do here. We use pound operator to differentiate between HTML tag and the ID. So for head I will say text align to the right, and font style as, say, italic, and maybe text decoration as, say, underline. Here's just an example. You can take whatever style you want to take. So now you can see this element, that means heading 2, will have its different style from the rest of the element. So text has been aligned to the right and text decoration is underlined. Its style is italic. So that is the purpose of ID, that we can uniquely identify an element from the set of its own elements. If we have to do for the class, save as, so say class. Now I'm going to roll back. I will take here color for better understanding. Color as red. Now you can see that all these heading will have color red. Similarly, I will take another set of element. The same way for another element. Let us do some styling for heading 2 also here. Color is blue, and then for heading 3 So color as purple. So very basic styling. You see for heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and then we have this set of headings. So you should be able to see. So all red colors, all blue, and all purple color here. Now if you uniquely want to identify some style to some elements, you want to group them together which actually belong to the different families, you need to create a class. So create a class as say group 1. Similarly for first heading 2, class is group 2, and for first heading 3, class is group 3. Oh sorry, group 1. Make sure I'm doing it wrong. It need to be all should have the same name, group 1. And then for class we use dot operator, so write G1 and then just say background as yellow. So grouping the elements and see that all they have the same background color. You can see all have same background color which is yellow. In the same way you can create some other groups. So I'm creating class as group 2. Also for this element class as group 2, and this also class as group 2, and then similarly we can do dot G2. I'm shifting the element to right, text align to right. You can see now made this group, all these elements, second element, they have been shifted to right. Same way you can make another group. So class as group 3, class as group 3, class as group 3, and what I will do is for group 3 I will say visibility as hidden. I don't want to see these elements. Make sure you spell it correctly, save it, and then check it. You know the third element that disappeared. So this way you can do the grouping. Now for hiding element we have two options. Either we can write visibility hidden or we can say display none. Again save it. You will see the difference now. So when we say display none, it basically make that element removed from the HTML page. But when we say visibility hidden, then the element stays there, means the space for the element is there, but it is not visible right now. So this is a simple example of how we can create ID and how we can create classes and how we can use them together. Thank you and have a good time.